What is the most profitable coin to mine on a CPU? Good question. That is what we are trying to find out. Welcome everybody, Rabid here, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Discord link is in the description. Join that up so we can join the conversation. But here we are, we have our CPU mining rigs, and what exactly are we doing is we are doing a test across 3 different coins to see what exactly is the most profitable. Okay, so what we got going on here is we do have 3 rigs set up. This is rig 1, rig 2, rig 3, and they are all set up to the exact same settings. Well, these 2 are the exact identical rigs. Our workstation in the other room is a little bit different. It's using CL16 RAM and an X570 motherboard, but for the most part they are all 3900X Ryzen CPUs. Now this rig is on rig 1 is Veruscoin. No, I think rig 1 is XLA, rig 2 is Veruscoin, and our workstation back there, it is running on Monero Ocean. So originally I was only mining with all my rigs on Monero Ocean, and then people were coming out saying Veruscoin is more profitable. XLA is becoming a lot more profitable and good things like that. So what Monero Ocean is essentially is I don't mine XMR all by itself. It's a profit switching pool, so it's mining a bunch of different algorithms and paying me out in XMR. But a lot of people did think I was only mining XMR, and XMR is not profitable. Mining it directly alone with your CPUs. So people are bringing these coins to my attention, XLA as well as Veruscoin. Or the other way around, Veruscoin, XLA, whatever, it doesn't matter. So point is, I'm putting a 1-week test on all 3 of my rigs, 1 on each coin to see, and the workstation is on the pool, so 1 on each section to see for 1 week what coin actually becomes the most profitable coin. And as for settings, all 3 rigs are set exactly the same. We're at 1 volt and 3.6 gigahertz all-core overclock. These 2 rigs right here, so rig 1 and rig 2, they're both running in Hive OS. Reason being is I'm also running my 4 gigabyte cards with them on Ethereum, and we're still getting about 24 mega hash on our 4 gigabyte cards. So both of these cards here are 4 gigabyte, and they are both getting 24 mega hash. So they are running in Hive OS. We got everything stable. If you do run Linux or any type of operating system like that, you do have to do all your settings in the BIOS, where in Windows you'll be doing it in Ryzen Master. Now I did say we're only at 3.6 gigahertz, and someone's probably like, why are you only running so low and whatnot? So say we were mining XMR, everyone loves the XMR hash rate. So right now, if I put these on XMR, we'd probably be a little over 13,000. But if I was to crank these up to do their like whatever Ryzen clock tuner would put us at, these are all over about 15,300 hashes, but they are highly inefficient when you overclock these CPUs. If you saw our last videos, we did the efficiency testing. Go check them out, because you're definitely not going to want to overclock your CPUs. You just use too much power. Like, it is such a huge difference. I mean it. When it does come to crypto mining, that's the name of the game. You got to run as efficient as possible because you don't want to be burning up too much power. Hopefully one day I can actually pull both of these rigs and put them onto, say, server power supplies. Parallelminer might be working on a breakout board for CPU miners where you have like 3 or 4 24 pins and the CPU pins so that you could fit a couple rigs together, because we do have 2 here running on ATX power supplies each. So it would be nice if I could just plop a server power supply right in the middle there and then just have them both hooked up. But that would save a lot of room, save on the cabling and all that other good stuff. So other than that, there's not much going on here, guys. Here's one of our GPU mining rigs, and we're gonna let our CPU miner rigs go for about a week, and then we're gonna test the profits and everything on them. We've looked at them in our past 2 streams, what they've been looking like for the past 2 days, every day. So yeah, it looks like Monero Ocean is kind of pulling away, but it's too soon to tell. We are going for a week and see exactly how this plays out. So if you haven't seen any of those past videos on tuning these CPUs, building these rigs, whatever, be sure to go through the list there, check them out. I do have a specific playlist for only CPU mining, so they are put in there, as well as some other things altogether. But I try to keep all my playlists separated and everything in one with everything. So be sure to check that out if it's something you do want to check out. Look at our efficiency tests we've previously done. But yeah, so this is our actual CPU mining showdown, a three-way race to see what is the most profitable. Now, I do not have Raptorium, or Raptorium, however it's pronounced. I did not actually get around to mining that one. I don't have the rig for that, so maybe we can try that for a week later on. But for now, these seem to be the three most popular that people are focused on, so that's what we're running for these tests. So that pretty much sums up this video. It is just a quick one. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one. Rabid out. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider watching one of these other videos, hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button. We do a live stream every Sunday, and Discord link is in the description as well. Thanks everybody again, and Rabid out.